1009 rejections. 1009 times someone told this man his dream was worthless. Most people quit after one rejection. This man faced over 1,000 and built an empire feeding millions daily. His name was Harland Sanders, Colonel Sanders. His story isn't about fried chicken. It's about the mindset separating those who achieve prosperity from those who quit before their breakthrough. Everything was gone. His restaurant, built over decades, was finished. The government constructed a highway bypassing his town. Overnight, customers vanished. He was broke, living on $105 a month. But this wasn't his first failure. Fired as a streetcar conductor, failed insurance salesman, ferry boat business that sank, gas station lost, restaurant burned down. At retirement age, he had nothing but a fried chicken recipe and one desperate idea. He would sell his recipe, drive across America, walk into restaurants, offer a deal, use my recipe, give me a cut per chicken sold. Nobody wanted it. First restaurant, not interested. Second, no thanks. 10th, pass. 20th, still no. Imagine pitching your dream 50 times and hearing no every time. 100 times? Most would quit, but here's the lesson. Your breakthrough doesn't come before the rejections. It comes after you refuse to let rejections define you. Every no wasn't a door closing, it was the wrong door. The right door was ahead. If this is shifting how you see rejection, subscribe to Prosperity Unlock now. Every week we bring mindset transformations, unlocking real success. Hit subscribe. Sanders kept going. 2 years driving across America, sleeping in his car, pitching his recipe. 400 rejections, 500, 700. Sanders understood something. The rejections weren't destroying him. They were refining him. Every no taught him how to pitch better, read people, find the right restaurants. He earned a PhD in resilience. Second lesson, prosperity isn't waiting for the perfect moment. It's refusing to quit in imperfect ones. Sanders started with nothing. No money, no connections, no plan. Just a recipe and determination. 1009. That's how many no's before someone said yes. What if he quit at 900? At 1,000, he would have died broke. When that first owner said yes, everything shifted. The second yes came faster, then the third, then the 10th. Within years, 600 restaurants used his recipe. The man with nothing but rejection now had something unstoppable. Kentucky Fried Chicken was born, today one of the most recognizable brands on the planet. Sanders didn't succeed because he was special. He succeeded because he changed his relationship with rejection. Not because he had money, none. Not connections, zero. Not because he was young. He started past retirement. He succeeded because he refused to let circumstances dictate destiny. My question, how many no's will you face for your dream? 5, 10, 50? What if your breakthrough waits at door 101? What if you're 3 rejections from everything changing? Most people are 1 no from their miracle. They never discover it because they stop knocking. Your current situation doesn't determine future prosperity. Your response does. Every rejection either stops you or prepares you. The difference is your decision. Your prosperity, your purpose, your breakthrough isn't behind you. It's ahead. Waiting beyond rejections you haven't faced. Subscribe to Prosperity Unlock and turn on notifications. Comment below, what rejection are you facing that could redirect you to something greater? The question isn't if you'll face rejection. You will. Will you let it stop you or strengthen you? Keep knocking. Your door is coming.